Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a most often asked profit and loss question in competitive exams. Let's see the problem. By selling an article for rupees 1230, the loss is given to be 18%. If the article is sold for rupees 1600, then what is the profit percentage or loss percentage? Now for the first condition, we have the selling price to be 1230 and loss is given to be 18%. We know to find the cost price when selling price and the loss percentage is given. So cost price equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. Now let me write this 100 minus 18. My loss percentage is nothing but 18% into selling price is nothing but 1230. So this gives me 100 by 82. Now 100 minus 18 is nothing but 82. So 82 into 1230. Now let me cancel. 82 goes here one time and here it goes here 15 times. So 100 into 15 gives me nothing but 1500. Okay. My second condition, I got the CP to be 1500. CP is nothing but cost price. So cost price I got to be 1500 and selling price also I know that it's nothing but 1600. So I know if the selling price is more than my cost price, it has to be a profit. So profit equal to selling price minus the cost price. So 1600 minus 1500, which gives me 100. Now they have asked me to find the profit percentage. So I know the formula, profit percentage is nothing but profit by CP into 100. So here I got the profit to be 100 into 100 by 1500. So let me cancel 0, 0. I'll be left with 100 by 15. So when I divide, I get 20 by 3, which gives me 2 by 3 percentage, which is nothing but my profit percentage. Friends, we will be seeing more of these competitive based questions in the following videos. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.